Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be taking you through the Weusecoins website. So here's a video of what is Bitcoin. You can watch this video in your spare time. Bitcoin for individuals, Bitcoin for merchants, store Bitcoins, and Bitcoin exchanges. You can click these 4 buttons to get started. It is easy, secure, open, fair. This poster shows you what is Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin technology? How the Bitcoin blockchain works. The anatomy of a Bitcoin transaction. What is a Bitcoin wallet? And how to buy Bitcoins online. And this video shows you what is blockchain. You can enter your email to get a free guide and updates. So I'm going to end the video right here. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and don't forget to go to this website to find more information.